Hey Joe, so we're in the process of installing trim on this boat, and trim that we've polished, and so the screw holes were wallered out on this, similar to what I imagine your screw holes were wallered out on your cleats. So what we do is we'll take Titebond glue, waterproof glue. You can use Titebond, you can use your Gorilla Glue, whatever kind of glue you want to use, but it needs to be waterproof. And we put a dowel rod. We cut it with a set of diagonal cutters so it has a sharp end. We punch it in the hole as deep as we can, glue it up, or put glue on it, punch it in the hole as deep as we can, and cut it off. And then we have new wood for the screw hole to catch in, and so that's how we do it. And I'm going to send you some a piece of dowel rod, and along with a couple of different sizes of screws, a couple of different lengths of screws. These are number 8s as far as the size goes, and then you can fasten these guys on your boat to stay.